Hello everyone. I have been using the MBA program for the last almost three and a half months now, and it has helped me immensely to shift my work from Google Sheets to Google Forms, because of which now I have added data privacy and reduced data error. I was able to use Google Sites to build my website in less than 5 days, and all of this has been possible because of the amazing content created by Mr. Kewal Kishan and his team, that is available at such a affordable price for people like us. And I'm grateful and thankful for the support and the team support that they always have readily available for the students. My experience so far has been amazing. I look forward to creating my business dashboard and completing my intranet in the coming weeks, so that my course and my process of automation is almost complete. Thank you so much for all the help. Thank you.